Going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. Right now it's the January 23rd New York session, the PM macro, which is 1:45 to 2:15. I've been sleeping through the initial New York session, which is fine because it doesn't look like I missed out on much. There's probably a trade right here. What's this? Skip the whole minute. Um, nah, I guess you would've got liquidated. No. If you trade off of this, there's this turtle soup, then the breakup structure. Could have entered off of this. You would have barely got stepped out, but there could have been a trade. That was at 11:25. Or nope, that would have been a trade. From 10 to 11. Mm-hmm. Yeah, shit's the admission. But I'm waiting for the sell right now. Um, Sell side got tapped into. No gap that price tapped into, which is fine. There's a gap up here. Right here, small little gap. I don't think price is gonna go up to that though. Um, Price swept this, came down, came back up to sweep that high, and then it swept this high after sweeping that high. This one. And now 5 minute broke. No, it didn't. Jesus Christ. Are you serious? Okay, well, 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute broke structure. So now we're going down. Now we're waiting for this 5 minute gap to get filled. But we have a few spots of entries. We have this, and then we have this. So, based on that, I'm gonna take a short sell here. 15 is the max I can go. Let me correct myself. 15 is the max I'm gonna go. um, Risking 90 for 520 isn't bad at all. Like this. Because I know price has to come back up. It's probably gonna sweep this high and come back up to this 5 minute because that's the break structure before. So that sells there. What I could do is take a buy. How crazy would that be? What if what if in an alternate reality I'm risking $50 once price? This is not to do. This can easily get yeah, no. Okay, anyways, besides that, I'm waiting for a retracement so I can look for sells, but Price tapped my target already, which is this 15-minute gap. And now there's a 5-minute turtle soup. And now, if this breaks structure, then it'll be a valid buy. So it's not a bad spot to buy. It's just I put my stop loss right where the liquidity got swept. But I still think that this is gonna go up. So let's say I buy market. Stop loss 21,95225 and then take profit can be this high, which is 29,969. 21, 21,969.75. Right? Yeah, what if this is just stupid, by the way, but we live for it. Not really. I'm just seeing if I can really predict. Okay, this is getting ridiculous now. I don't know why I'm doing this. Um, so price, it's kind of this is what was happening. Ooh, that was a bad voice crack. So this is what was happening last night during London session, except this was the London session. You see price just kept going down and never made a retracement. So I wasn't able to get in for any sells because I wanted to retrace. And then it did retrace. Let me correct myself. It retraced into here, into this gap right here, this 5-minute gap. But on the 1 minute, there was no turtle soup. Wait, there was a turtle soup. Oh. Okay. Well, I was at the gym, so I wasn't paying full attention. But this would have been good. Yeah. That could have been from last night, but I didn't take a trade last night because prices took forever to retrace. Like it was towards the end. But anyways, let's go back to this. So I don't know what price wants to do because it's swept above, but it's respecting. It's respecting. So you have the 15-minute gap with the 5-minute turtle soup. I'm gonna go for buys, to be honest, because that's what it's telling me. Those two trades don't count. We're gonna keep that a secret. Um, and liquidity sweep. So this is telling me it's going up until at least here. But when price shift structure, it's gonna be up here, so that's not really ideal. Unless price breaks above here now and retraces into this order block. That's what I would want. Mm-mm. Or is it gonna make another low? The price action from the sessions I've been up hasn't been the cleanest. Like, I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. It's Thursday. So as you can see, Price isn't doing much. It's doing something, but it's not much. It's not enough. But actually, it's doing good. Um, I just would want to see another turtle soup. No, actually, I don't need to see one because it's a 5 minute. The price broke below that, so it's not really turtle soup. The price swept liquidity and tapped into a 15-minute gap. That's big bullish order flow. So ideally, I would want this low to get swept and this high to get broke. Um, this is gonna be a high in the next 2 seconds. Okay, now this is a high. So hopefully we can get that. We could. Oh, my earplug fell out. Hopefully we can get that turtle soup before price breaks the structure, and then we can look for buys. So now that price is making these lows and lows, it's it's giving me better confidence of taking a buy. And all of these fair value gaps they got tapped into, which is good. So we don't have to worry about anything that didn't get tapped into. The closest fair value gap is this 5 minute one. So if price can just shoot up and break structure, then retrace entry and then go up, that'd be perfect. Now I do just have to make 150 to go break even because I just did some stupid shit, but that's okay. It's just the fact that we caught a nice trade. If we catch a nice trade. But so far price is going nice, doing nice things. It would be too good to be true if prices go straight up and breaks above this. It's gonna do some weird stuff first. It'd be super good if price closed above this while leaving this gap. So it'd be after this candle close. And then it'd be these two candles that make its way up. And then it'd make a inverse Ferrari gap next to a regular Ferrari gap. You see what I mean though? Like what is this? There's no opportunity for sells. I don't know why I did. Oh, wait. Oops. Okay, this is S&P. Nope. That was 100. Nope. Okay, so about what I was saying about price doing nice things, it's not doing nice things right now. So price could reach lower. Um, what is price gonna do? Is it gonna go lower or is it going to go back up? So where could I have gone for sales? There was no like 5 minute gap. There's no. You could have traded off of this, but I was looking up here, because the 5 minute gap also still hasn't gotten tapped into yet. Price slowed down kind of fast. There wasn't any turtle soup. No confirmation. What is this? Oh, it does look like 50. 1 to 1 2. Yeah, is it worth it? Yes, no, maybe, sure. But price, like, yeah, price tapped into this 2 minute fair value gap. What a bunch of bullshit. Um, what about the 3 minute? Okay, so they're the same thing. Um, In the next 3 minutes, once this 5 minute closes, we can look for a retracement. So here we go again with this shit. It's overlapping. But where do I put the stop loss? That's the problem. You know what I mean? Put it here. That's not bad. That tape probably is gonna get hit. This is the so. But I need this 5 minute gap, 5 minute candle to close before it comes up. Bro, there's so much volume in these moves, but not enough volume to get an entrance. Cause there's no like, there's not enough confirmation. The price is just going. It's making moves, man. It's not waiting for shit. Hopefully, price can do this. Just going with the trend. Sell side. I mean, buy side got set up. Going to sell side or a version of sell side. It might not go fully down, but it's definitely going down to these internal liquidities. Now the tough thing is I need price to come back up into this 15-minute gap. So I need this thing to, as it's disrespecting this gap as it is, I need it to come back up way in the middle and then continue back down. That's what's going on right now. Or this thing just might close and then just continue down. Mm, what if you did this? That's another one of those stupid trades. But I mean, it is realistic considering this 5 minute hasn't closed yet. Oh, it did close. Never mind. 5 minutes. Hmm. I still have a lot of videos to post. I think I have like 4 or 5, which is not a lot compared to the amount of sessions that I missed this week. So now at this point, we're just looking for buys. Now, it wouldn't be a bad idea to do this, right? It's not bad, but is it necessarily good? No, because there's a 5 minute gap right here. Price could easily go below more. So I'm gonna say this. If this happens, I'm going full port. God damn, that's a lot of no. No, that's crazy though. I wonder what price is gonna do. Is price gonna close down here and then it's gonna retrace? Or what? Okay, Price has 3 minutes to do the impossible. He needs to sweep this and then he needs to break above this. Part one is done. And then it also needs to retrace. So not only. It needs to break structure before going into a 5 minute gap. It always does it. Jeez. Who is that? Maine? Who the fuck is in Maine? Do people live in Maine? Oh, now I'm really confused. Oh, now I'm really confused. What number is that? Oh, I'm so confused. Okay, well, this session isn't going anywhere, clearly. That's gonna be the end of this session. I'm gonna go figure out what numbers these are on my phone. But I hope you guys are learning something. I hope you guys are enjoying the content that's being posted, even though it's not like the most entertaining. I hope you guys can find some value in it. But besides that, hope you guys have a good day, stay productive, and yeah, peace.